Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious jackfruit wine at home. We will start by gathering our key ingredients: ripe jackfruit, sugar, specialized wine yeast, and clean water. Next, you will prepare the jackfruit by carefully removing the seeds and any tough, fibrous parts. It is absolutely crucial to sanitize all your brewing equipment thoroughly before you begin to ensure a successful and safe fermentation process. Now, let's move on to the exciting fermentation stage. You will combine your prepared jackfruit pulp with a dissolved sugar solution and the appropriate amount of water in your primary fermenter. Once this mixture has cooled to room temperature, you will add your activated wine yeast. It is important to maintain a consistent fermentation temperature, ideally between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 7 to 10 days. After primary fermentation, it is time for racking and aging. Carefully siphon the wine off the sediment, known as lees, into a clean, sanitized secondary fermenter or carboy. This process helps clarify the wine and prevents off flavors. For the best results, allow your jackfruit wine to age for a minimum of 6 months, storing it in a cool, dark place to develop its full, rich flavor profile. Finally, we reach the bottling stage. Ensure all your bottles and siphoning equipment are meticulously sanitized to maintain the wine's quality. Carefully siphon the clear, aged jackfruit wine into your prepared bottles, making sure to leave about 1 inch of headspace at the top. Securely cork or cap each bottle, and then store them upright for a few days before laying them down for long-term storage.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.